Well, I've just completed this camera boom, and you want to get a bit of shake because it's still bouncing around all over the place. But oh, this has been a pain in the neck to do. Now the lighting's in the wrong place. I've got it coming directly at me from the left at the moment, so I've got to move that over to behind the camera. But at least now, by adjustment, I can now go down onto my lathe and hopefully nothing will move. There'll be a bit of bounce and nothing will move. So yeah, quite pleased with it. It's the best that I can do. I'll take a picture on the other camera. So there we are, taking a picture of the Boon. As you can see, it's up on my beams, comes down, this will swivel and adjust. Yeah, tiny little loft space, unfortunately. That is the best that I can do at the moment. So the light's in the wrong place, that will need to be moved. Some still pictures. There we go. So that's my little project. I didn't film it because I got no space in this room to do it, but now hopefully this will give me a bit more room to be able to put a tripod, well not a tripod, but I'll be able to put this over the bench and actually see what I'm doing, because trying to position a tripod before was almost impossible. So I hope that my videos improve, but don't hold out too much hope for it. Thank you.